Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Codex CLI. You know that after the release of GPT 5.5, that is one of the best model in 2026. So in this video, I will show you how to use Codex for free with OpenRouter. This is a legal method and we will use the free models with Codex to run Codex with the free OpenRouter models. So I will show you that in this video. Let's start without wasting time. So first of all, we need to install Codex on our machine. So to install Codex, for that simply let's search Codex installation. So open the first website Codex CLI. After opening the first website, which is developers openai.com, so you will see the CLI setup, and here you can use that for the Linux or for the Windows. We will use the npm to install it on Windows. So copy this first command. Look at install. So I will copy this command and open terminal, PowerShell or command prompt, and right click to paste that command. npm I or install -g. It means globally OpenAI Codex. Press enter to install this Codex on our machine. The Codex installation completed. After completing the Codex installation, now we need to modify the setting, the configuration of Codex, because we want to use it with OpenRouter. So to use it with OpenRouter, we will search here OpenRouter. Or before this, let's run first of all Codex. Okay, simply just come here and I will open an empty folder. Right click, open in terminal. I will show you the Codex CLI. Press enter, write Codex and press enter. So it says sign in with ChatGPT or with device code or provide your own API key. So I will exit, okay, because we want to use it with OpenRouter. Let's press enter to continue. Let's exit and sign without with device code, provide your own API. Let's close this and simply let's move to the browser and search here Codex with OpenRouter integration. So you will see the first website, OpenRouter integration with Codex CLI. Open this first website, and here you can see Codex CLI on OpenRouter.ai website. Here are the steps. First of all, it says just install Codex CLI. We have installed that. Then it said sign up or login with OpenRouter. Yeah, we will create our account with OpenRouter also. And it says move to the API key usage and create your own API key. So we will do that later. But first of all, it needs configure Codex per OpenRouter. So to configure it, it says Codex uses a config.toml file typically located at this area location. Create or edit that. So let's move and find this area Codex config.toml file. Let's come here and we will move to the C drive. I am on Windows. If you are on Mac, so move to the wherever you have installed that users username, and here find the Codex folder. So this is Codex folder. After finding this, it says there is a file. So let's check where is that file. Simply that Codex config.toml. It means there is no file right now on our directory and Codex directory. So we will create our own. Don't worry. Okay, so I will create a file. Let's write here cmd to open this directory in command prompt, and here we will simply write type null greater than config.toml. Press enter. So it will create our file. So look at, we have now this file. Let's open this and we will add the configuration setting here. Simply let's come here back to the OpenRouter website and we will copy this code and paste it here inside VS Code. So that's it. Now we will change just that is the model provider is OpenRouter and model reasoning high and model. So for the model, we will use a free model from OpenRouter. Simply let's go back to the OpenRouter website. And first you need to create your account. I have already created account inside OpenRouter.ai website. After getting that, let's move to the models. And here search for free because we want to use the free models. If you just would like to use the paid models, so you can use them, but we will use the free models in this video. Here are different models for free which you can use. Let's copy one of them. Like let's copy this NVIDIA one or Tencent High 3. Let's copy this one. And simply let's go back to our setting, and here we will change this model from OpenAI GPT 5.53 to NVIDIA to this model. Save the setting. So the model provider is OpenRouter. Yes, the base URL is this, and for environment key, we need to use this variable name. So how to do this? For that, let's move back to the OpenRouter integration. Here at the step 4, you can see set your API key. On Linux, Mac, you can use this command, and here you will have your API key. So let's first of all have our own API key. Let's go back to the dashboard. After moving to the dashboard to the API key, and here we will create our own API key. Let's create new, press this button, and we will just go text test. And here expiration, so it will expire after 1 hour. Create this and copy at this time this key. Let's copy this, close this now. After copying the key, so it says you can use this command, and instead of this, paste your key at the command prompt. So we will use the Windows environment variable. Simply let's search for environment variables, system environment variables, and move to the environment variables. And here we will add our own. So right now, I think I have one Olama host, OpenRouter API key. I will delete this one. I will create a new one. So to create a new one, press this new button. And here I will just paste my key in this variable value. And here we will write that name. Simply just come here to the OpenRouter API key. Copy this. After copying that, paste it here now and press OK. Press OK and press OK. So we have added to the environment variable. So now let's run our codex. Come here back to an empty folder. Right click, open in terminal, and here simply run codex. It says, do you trust? Yes, continue. So it says set up default sandbox. You might face with this, but we will quit it because we don't want this. Quit it and run once again. So let's run it once again, and here we will write codex. And now you can see, let's simply write what is enter, and we will wait to the response. So yeah, this is the response. C++ is a general purpose compiled programming language. Now let's see, for example, status. The status, you can see the configuration. Here on status, you can see the model is NVIDIA and model provider OpenRouter. And you can see here other settings also, and the limits not available for the second because we didn't sign in OpenRouter API key. That's it. It is all about this. You can use the free models from OpenRouter and use Codex CLI for with OpenRouter. It was all about this. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any issue. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.